In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change your iPhone camera left right, or how to turn on and off your iPhone selfie camera flip or mirror option. Go to your iPhone settings. In settings, scroll down and open camera. In camera settings, scroll down and under composition section, here you will find this mirror front camera option. So you can just enable mirror front camera from here, and now let's capture a selfie and see the result. So we can see the current result. Now let's turn off this mirror front camera option. Now let's take a new selfie. And we can see the result. So that's how we can actually change our camera left to right. Thanks for watching.